2022 was a roller coaster of a year. Everyone started off hopeful about the future, looking to new heights, ready to invest in the bright and shiny tomorrow. And then, it all came crashing down.
150,000 tech workers have been laid off in 2022 alone.
200,000 employees are being laid off.
A sharper than expected slowdown in the economy, rising inflation, a worldwide recession, mass layoffs. Times became tough. But you didn't have to go through it alone. RepairDesk stood by you and strengthened our bond. Whether it was continuing to offer better without adding to your costs, building a powerful ecosystem for you, helping you grow your brand.
Yeah, it's been a really great experience so far. We've felt very satisfied.
You came first. There was already a lot of worry about in the world. We wanted you to worry a little less. We traveled miles so we could be in your shoes and learned how you do business. We served you in new verticals and earned your trust. And with all that we did, we watched you succeed.
It's been great. I love the integrations.
Our integration with mobile centrics and gadgets, really useful for everyone that's trying to track everything.
The software is optimized. Our store saved our reps time.
We saw you grow. We saw you smile.
What an amazing year it has been. We had the honor of serving hundreds of new locations, and we became available for you 24 hours a day, 6 days a week. In 2022, our greatest learning was to pivot our focus to our core business and provide a robust and efficient software to suit your workflow needs. My goal was to make you go, wow.
We'll continue watching out for you, no matter who you are, where you are, or how big you are. After all, RepairDesk is all about you.
2023, let's grow.